Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Walter Obuya. Join me as I take you through electrical tutorial. Watch from the start to the end and learn on how to install electrical boxes from the start to the end, like a pro. First, you need to know the electrical tools you need to have. Hammer, boxes, cement, measuring tape, spirit level. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, hit subscription button, then press the bell and it's free. This will help you get notified when I release new videos. You will be among the first people to get it. And if you have a project, you can contact us through our email address, which is opticapliances@gmail.com, or call us on 07167-71810. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Stay tuned and learn on how to use fire extinguisher at home like a pro. Is your boy Walter Obuya. So today we're going to use the terminology pass. But before we start our lesson, you need to figure out the three elements of fire. In order for to light, we need to have 1 oxygen, 2 fuel, and finally heat. So once we eliminate one of this element, then fire will go off. Now let me introduce the word pass. Coordinator P for pull out safety pin, A for sim at the base of fire, S for squeeze the handle, and S for sweep at the base of fire. Hope you have learned something about fire safety measures at home. If you have fire equipment, you can call us for service. Thank you all and bye-bye.